ready to unlock a treasure trove of rewards and supercharge your Royal Match adventure. First, look for the Royal Pass icon. It's usually located at the bottom of your screen. Hard to miss. Go ahead and tap on it. This is your gateway to exclusive content. Now, you'll see the Royal Pass screen. It's packed with juicy rewards, including unlimited lives, boosters, and unique decorations. Take a moment to scroll through the tiers and see all the amazing goodies up for grabs. Spot the Unlock Royal Pass button. Give it a tap. You'll be prompted to confirm your purchase, usually with in-app currency or a payment method linked to your app store. A confirmation window will appear. Double-check the details to make sure it's the Royal Pass you're after. Then hit confirm or buy now. Congratulations! You've successfully activated the Royal Pass. You'll see a celebratory animation confirming your purchase. Start claiming your rewards. Many are instantly available, while others are earned by completing challenges and progressing through the game. So get matching, crushing levels, and unlocking those awesome prizes. Maximize your Royal Match experience with the Royal Pass. Enjoy the perks. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.